Hey guys, Lady Locks here, and I got this really cool Yale lock from the Aspie Lockpicker. Let me get the key in. And check it out. So this is a wafer lock. I'm not sure what they use this for. These are from the UK. I'm not sure exactly what they're used for. There's the bitting of the key. Just thought it was a really neat lock. I had seen Aspie picking one of these on his Instagram and commented that I liked it. Thought it was pretty neat, and so he sent me one. So let me see if I can zoom a little bit. And just a couple wafers in here. Big full set there. Actually, let me, like that. There we go. There it is. Pretty easy to pick. I think it's one of the few Yale locks that I can pick easily. Oh, there it is. Pretty cool. That's the back of it. I guess I could take it apart like that, but I don't really want to take it apart. I just think it's a neat little lock. So yeah, thank you so much, Aspie. I really love all the locks you sent me. He sent me a couple others too that I'm going to be picking, and I'll show you guys. But for now, nice little Yale lock. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.